come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ alone. Yeah, this isn't a joke. This is Christmas music playing on the radio right now.
Up now with the article that we were reading.
Like, that's the third one I've heard.
Christian Home. It's by Michael Haken of Ligonier Ministry.
It's not even August yet. Not even Christmas time yet. And now I'm one to listen to Christmas music sometimes during the summer. I won't lie, or whenever, but to play it publicly on the radio in the middle of the year? What the heck? No. Maybe because it's a Christian station. I just was flipping through the stations and it came on and I was like, what? But still, like, it's not Christmas. If you're gonna do it on your own time, not publicly. At least that's what I do. Anyways, that's my thought. Despite hearing the Christmas music in the middle of July, it made me kind of happy. Not gonna lie. As I said, I have the hiccups. I do enjoy a good Christmas song, and I do listen to it sometimes in the summertime. Yeah. It definitely did make me happy to hear some, oh, goodness sakes alive! Definitely made me happy to hear some, oh, come all ye faithful. One of my favorite. I hate hiccups. Scratch that. It's like a love-hate relationship with hiccups. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you don't. It's kind of funny when you're speaking halfway through and something you got a hiccup. But other times it's really annoying because you're trying to say something and you don't want to like be in the middle of a class and be like, hey, yes, I know the answer to that. And then hiccup in the middle of it. Maybe you do. I don't know. Maybe you do. But you do you, alright?